i-2K le country u-Naledi Aphiwe hey usenkingeni nabantu baseZim. So kune-event ezayo, right, eZimbabwe, and the name of the event, I think it's called Ama2K Fest. Yeah, I think it's called Ama2K Fest. So it seemed as ivele bazoletha like ama-artist amancane wama-2K nani uke wabona, because of the event. I think it's for young people of Zimbabwe. So now uNaledi Aphiwe is one of the people who will be performing, as well as I think I saw Uskos Maphuma, right? So manje-ke abantu baseZimbabwe hayi uyaphi uNaledi, ngoba wazidelela nje uNaledi. Hawu, wandelela uNaledi nini kanjani? Uke wabona? So manje abantu baseZimbabwe hayi ngamane nisinikeze uzinxumalo kunokuthi nisinikeze uNaledi Aphiwe. Hayi ngeke phela. Senizoyikhethela nina ukuthi nifuna bani, niyahlanya. UNaledi mina mangiyibuka lento le, akayishongo in a way that angeke yena aze aye eZimbabwe. In an actual fact, she was simply implying ukuthi she would love to perform for Zimbabweans in Zimbabwe, because i-comment yaloya muntu ithe Naledi would love to have you in Zimbabwe. So it was more like an invite to say, come and perform for us. And then waphendula, oh nali gundwane nalo sometimes. Waphendula wathi, hambani niyongilinda khona ngizoza. uNaledi unjani kodwa mara like uNaledi, like Naledi. Oh. So ke nabantu basezimi bona bayithatha ngale ndlela yokuthi uNaledi uthi mabahambe, right, mabahambe babuyele ngale. Mina mangithi ngiyayibuka yena ufuna ukuyoba performela kuphi ngale eZim, like nje kube yi-vibe imnandi, because of mase mix uyabona, like akafeel lento ukuthi yazi ngiyaba performela abantu bami basezimi engibathandayo. Uyabona, so that's why yena bekathi no ngifuna ngale ngasezimi ngizoniperformela kahle. I mean, like, you know, so please man, abantu basezimi no ningenzi kanjalo, yekani umntana aze ekhaya azoniperformela kahle, ni enjoy, nimbonise your cultures ukuthi okay fine, these are the Ndebele people and this is what they eat, the Shona people and this is what they eat, this is how they wear. Like, educate umntana wethu. uNaledi usasemncane, usaseyingane, angeke ena futhi nina enikhuluma izinto ngomntana nibadala ngalomzuzu, nibadala. So yekelani umntana aze lapho. Hawu kunini efuna ukuza uNaledi, wayelinde nina ukuthi nje niye ngale ekhaya so that azoniperformela kahle. Ayikho into wrong ayishulo lapha umntana, ayikho. Hu ngeke phela. So yekani umntana uyeza lapho ezini, nimphathe kahle. Mangabe nifuna uzinqumalo ningawari, next time uzohamba uzi. Okwamanje sihambisa uNaledi, uyahamba uNaledi uyovesa iphupho lakhe lokuthi aniperformele kuphi eZimbabwe. So let's have fun. Zim Ama2K Fest, it is going down, honey. It is going down. You don't want to miss, because Ali